The exhaust elbow is attached to your compressor's cylinder head. It routes the compressed air from the pump into the exhaust pipe that sends the air into the tank. The exhaust elbow can be accidentally damaged if something hits the compressor, or if it is dropped. The flare fitting can corrode over time, allowing air to leak. Replacing the exhaust elbow is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Before you start any work on your air compressor, be sure to drain any compressed air from the tank. I'll begin by removing the pressure switch cover from the compressor. Next, I'll note the location of each of the wires and then remove the motor wires from the pressure switch. I'll use a pair of pliers to remove the strain relief from the housing. Now remove the breather line from the pressure switch. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the check valve. The motor and pump assembly is secured to the tank with 4 screws. I'll go ahead and remove them. With the bolts removed, now I can separate the motor and pump assembly from the tank. Next, I'll remove the air filter assembly and the motor housing. I'll remove the air filter cover and then use a pair of adjustable pliers to remove the air filter base. Now I can remove the cover. Now remove the exhaust pipe from the exhaust elbow. And now I can remove the elbow. Now I can install the new elbow. I'll wrap some thread tape around the side of the elbow that threads into the cylinder. Now I'll reinstall the outlet pipe. And I'll reinstall the motor cover. And the air filter. And now I can reinstall the motor and pump assembly onto the tank. I'll resecure the motor and pump with the screws. And I'll resecure the exhaust pipe. Next, I'll reinstall the motor wires. I'll put the cord clamp back onto the cord. And thread the wires through the pressure switch. And I'll connect the wires to the switch. And I'll connect the grounding wires. And I'll reconnect the exhaust pipe breather. And I'll finish by reinstalling the cover. And that's how you can replace the exhaust elbow on your compressor.